easier thanks to Proper Cloth. At propercloth.com, you can easily create your first custom shirt size in seconds. But
I picked up lunch at that store.
No measuring required. Proper Cloth custom shirts with premium Italian fabric start from $85, and remakes and alterations are absolutely free. Perfect fit is guaranteed. It's time you had dress shirts that fit. Head over to propercloth.com and use gift code RADIO to save $20 on your first custom shirt today.
Are you tired of paying for expensive home appliance and system repair costs? Home appliance and system breakdowns can occur suddenly. Thousands out of pocket. But now, First American Home Buyers Protection is proud to offer an affordable home warranty plan that could pay for your covered repairs so you don't have to. That's right. Oven, washer, dryer, dishwasher, refrigerator, and can all be covered for just over $1 a day. Plumbing, air conditioning, electrical, heating systems, and more can also be included at tremendous savings to you. When a covered appliance or system breaks, just call to start a service request 24 hours a day.
Busy place,
First
boy.
American
Busy
Home
place.
Buyers Protection will take care of covered repairs for you. Get your home protected now, and you could save thousands on costly appliance and system repairs. For free information, call 800-235-0662. 800-235-0662. 800-235-0662. Service requests are subject to a service fee, and some exclusions and restrictions apply. For details, go to FAHW.com or request a sample contract.
All too often, men just accept fatigue, irritability, and decreased drive as a normal part of getting older. Truth is, nearly half of men over 40 have low testosterone. Our prescription solutions come with a long list of side effects. Viramax T Testosterone Booster offers a natural alternative to combat symptoms of low T. Find Viramax T and Viramax for Men at Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, or online at ViramaxInfo.com. That's VIRMAXInfo.com.
Home stay for the afternoon at the house.